In Java, as well as other languages, the if statement follows the simple principle of do something if some condition is true. Let's flip a coin. We'll make a char result variable and set it to capital H for heads. Say we want to print out the whole word of the result, so print out heads if the result is H, or tails if the result is T. The first thing you'll notice, the stuff in the parentheses of an if statement always seems to be a boolean value. That will always hold true with if statements because they either have to do something, meaning whatever in the parentheses evaluated true, or not do something, meaning whatever in the parentheses evaluated to false. Then you'll notice the code inside the curly braces is only done if the condition is true. So tails never gets printed in this code because the result never equals the character T. If your spidey senses are tingling that the result for flipping a coin will always be heads or tails, so there's got to be a better way to express one condition or the other, there is indeed a way to do that, but we'll save that for the next video. Like and subscribe to learn more.